If you are wanting longer, fuller eyelashes, keep watching this video and I'll tell you how to achieve those. My secret you guys have been waiting for is Rodan+Fields Lash Boost. This stuff I've been using for about 6 months, and man, it has exploded my eyelashes. Step 1. Eliminate eyelash extensions, eyelash strips, eyelash whatever you want to call them, because you don't need them. You don't need them. It's simple. All you have to do is apply it like you would apply eyeliner by the base of your eyelashes. Let it sit overnight, and within 2 months you will see results. You will. If you think about it, if you get your eyelashes filled every 3 to 4 weeks, so that's every month, you're spending $600 to $1,200 a year on just filling them. Now, to me, that is a lot of money. I would rather spend my money on something that's going to last long term rather than I have to go every month. It is only $135 every 6 to 7 months, guys. For me, that is a way better value than spending $600 to $1,200 just to fill your eyelashes. And I will tell you, even the shortest of eyelashes, it will grow them tremendously. Like, I'm not joking you. It takes about 2 months to kick in, but once those kick in, you're going to love the results. Like, you're going to enjoy it, you're going to keep it, you're going to be addicted to it, you're going to want to put on more. But let me tell you the rules about applying. The rules about applying it are simple. You apply it once a day, either in morning or night. I prefer night so it sits and activates a little bit longer. It's simple to use, simple all around for me. If you would like to purchase this, just contact me, DM me, text message, call, whatever you'd like to do. I live by this product and I live by Rodan+Fields, all their products. They are awesome, simple, easy, and just the best results you will ever see. So thank you for listening to my spiel on the best eyelash enhancement ever. And if you want an easy morning to supply mascara and not spend a lot of money, Rodan+Fields is your girl.